Hello, good morning, friends. Today is Saturday, and Saturday we do not cook non-vegetarian in our house because my parents. It's a month of Sawan, first thing, and Saturday non-vegetarian is restricted in our house due to so many astrological reasons. I don't think I'm a superstitious guy. I don't believe, but when I'm at home, unfortunately, I'll have to do it vegetarian food on the Saturday. So today I am going to make one simple non-vegetarian item. A vegetarian item that is pumpkin flowers, which is available at this season. So I will show you a few pumpkin climbers, and I'll show you the garden. And this is my brother's house today. My buddy means my father's elder brother's wife. Uh, so it's my elder aunt is giving me her garden's pumpkin flower, uh, and I'm grateful to her. Climber, but I'm not going to pick it from him. I'll just show you the tour this place. Okay, see, you can see the pumpkin flower. It's beautiful and it will be delicious fried. These are all organic, natural, pure. Okay, I think this is not so much visible. So I'm walking down towards the pumpkin climber garden, and I'll show you my brother's garden. These are called bees. It's quite bitter in taste. This is organic. This is where last time I plucked wild mushroom. This is the same garden. It was almost 1.5 months ago. So I am going towards that pumpkin climber so then I can pluck those flowers. It's raining again. It's drizzling. Okay. This is absolutely gorgeous. These are pumpkin climbers where I'm going to pluck the flowers. Okay. Okay. All right. I have to walk inside the climber. See, this looks so beautiful and it's tasty as well. Remember, these are organic. This is what I have collected today, so I'm going to go. Since I'm alone today at home. Oh, this ladybird here. This is what I've collected today, and I'm kind of satisfied with this. Okay, I have already washed these pumpkin flowers, and this is besan. Besan in Indian language and in our language Nepali. In English, this is horse gram flour. I've already mixed with salt, and this is twigs that I'm not going to cook today. So I'm going to make a batter out of this flour. I'll add a little bit of water, make it thick paste. Okay, I'm making the paste. It should not be very thin because it doesn't holds to the. This is a very simple recipe that sometimes you can take it as a snack with a tea in the evening, or maybe as an add-on snack on your lunch or dinner. And you can add coriander leaves if you want, but I don't prefer that way. So let me dip these stuffs here. I am heating this karai, and I'll heat this oil. Karai has lost its ears. These are the ears. Okay, put a little bit of oil. So much. Okay, the oil looks heated. I'm using this tongs. Okay, now it looks crispy because the first one was not so crispy, so I'll have to redo this stuff. Now this looks very crispy. It is crispy. This is how it's supposed to be. The first one was. Put it here. This is how it looks. The fried pumpkin flour. So now I'm going to eat with my rice. And Saturday. Okay, let me just taste one. Wow, lovely. I just love the taste. Wow. Garma garam pumpkin flour. Lovely. It's hot and crispy. This I'm going to eat with my rice. Okay, this is on my plate today. My rice, my dal khorsani. This is bitter gourd and cottage cheese. It's called churpi in our language. This is mustard greens and squash, snake gourd. It's snake gourd, and this is homegrown and homemade mango pickles. And since today is a vegetarian day, I am compensating my healthy fats with this desi homemade pasture-fed cow's ghee. And I'm going to add this crunchy little guys pumpkin flour fried. Okay, this is what my recipe. This is what my plate looks like today. It's still crunchy. I'm feeling very hungry. I always love my plates to be colorful with vegetables. This is my dalle. I cannot do without dalle. Oh.